Hey, so it's Mariah and Casey.
Why do you sound so much more relaxed now?
And we just
This is how you did it. This is how you sounded.
A product testimonial.
This is how you sounded.
And I'm in it. I'm gonna be all over.
Hey, let me talk! This is how you sounded when you were on the thing. Hey, this is Mariah. I really like.
Why didn't you want me to do it again?
No, it's good though.
Okay, it's good.
But it's not more. You weren't as relaxed. Like now, like yeah, homie, what's good? What's cracking?
So
yeah.
So.
What are we doing? We vlogging now?
We're failing.
We don't vlog, man.
We're failing at drop shipping, so we are gonna give up on that. Oh, that knocked the wind out of me.
You okay, man? This is a heavy ass pillow. Oh, wow!
We're giving up on drop shipping because.
I'm not giving up on drop shipping.
Yeah,
we said we're doing this store still. Yeah, drop shipping is super hard, man.
It's just so hard compared to Amazon. But for Amazon.
Don't give up!
For Amazon, we were out of stock for a whole month. We couldn't sell on Amazon because this guy.
What is this? Is this my channel?
This guy didn't.
What are you talking about?
This guy didn't do something right.
My subscribers can't see me like this.
And our order of product got sent back to China.
What you know about it?
It took forever.
Hey.
But it's finally back in China. And
it's back in China?
It's
still
finally back in Amazon warehouse in the US, and we're about to sell. And hopefully, before we ended, we were doing 30K a month on this one product. Hopefully, we go and surpass that. And now we have 3 other products in the making in China right now. So we're gonna have 4 products. What is wrong with your hat?
This is a pillow. This hat cost me $100.
Pillow hat.
This cost me $100.
From Gucci, right?
We should put this in production.
Yeah, you should patent it. It kind of looks good though. Like if you went outside right now, you'd have no sun on you.
Look. Hey.
It's bobbling.
So guys, we'll probably put that clip in. It's a little crazy. Just calm down, okay? Entrepreneurship's not all about being serious all the time, all right? It's about having fun and relaxing. Because if you're always serious, you're gonna want to kill yourself, all right? Because it's stressful, okay? Second off,
that was a little blunt.
That was what they need. Second, so basically what happened was on Amazon, we had first off, we ran out of stock because we were selling like 100 a day.
Hotcakes.
Can you?
I'm the hype girl.
No, don't do it. This is my channel. 100 a day. We didn't anticipate that. We got to order in right away. It doesn't matter. It takes like 2 to 3 weeks to manufacture, and then another like week to ship it from China. So we were already gonna be out of stock for about 2 weeks anyways. And the day before our shipment was coming in, we literally got 2 bad reviews, 1 stars. This is our first 1 stars, and we got 2 of them in one day saying like the product is crap, don't do it, it's not doing what it says, like that. It was a Sunday. The next day on Monday, wake up, go to the listing, check, I always go to my listing and stuff. It's gone. It's taken off Amazon. All it says is those doggy things, the dog that they do. Page not found. So I was like, okay, what? Amazon never updates you. Just remember that. So you always have to check because they never tell you what's wrong. They will never email you. So I had to make a case, ask them what's going on. They don't know, the Amazon customer service. So they send you to the concerned team. Takes like 24 hours. This one took, I think, 48 or 72, took like 2 days to figure out what was going on. I already kind of knew because I assumed those reviews, they're gonna take you down because this is how Amazon works. So that's what happened. And after like 72 hours, they said, oh yeah, you had reviews. They're saying that you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing, and you guys are doing things Amazon doesn't allow. And we've been selling this product for like 2-3 months. What are you talking about? After about 2 more weeks, right? 2 or 3 more weeks, going back and forth with them. They denying it. We're saying you're crazy. What's going on? The thing is, with Amazon, you can't let them, run over you. They literally do not check the listings. Like they do not do the updates. Sometimes they just deny you because they assume you didn't do it. They just think you're gonna just leave them alone, and they go on with their day. Finally got us approved. It took 3 more days to get it approved, to get it back on Amazon. After it was approved, because somebody didn't push the button right or something. And so our products were literally in Amazon for like 2 to 3 weeks just sitting there. So we were out, we hadn't sold a product in about a whole month. Yeah, a month to 5 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks. And now we're finally back. It's the third or fourth day, I think, back in stock. Yesterday we had, 15 sales. The day before was like 20. Some of these are giveaways, of course, so I'm trying to rank up. Today we're at like 12.
We're already on first page on some keywords.
Yeah, when we got back, we were over 180,000 rank, which is crap.
Horrible.
Before we ran out, I was 2,000 rank, which is amazing. Well, pretty good for me. And I was on first page and Amazon Choice and #1 for 3 keywords, my highest 3 keywords. When we came back the other day, we were not even on the third lowest keyword. We were page 3 when we came back. The other 2, we weren't even on the first 12 pages. I went back 12 pages on Amazon on the keywords, couldn't even find us. So it took a couple days to finally get those back. Now we're on the first page and we're Amazon Choice on the 3rd keyword and #1. The second highest keyword, we're 5th on the first page, and then the first highest keyword. Yeah, the first highest keyword. I don't know if I messed that up. The first highest keyword, we are 2nd page, 4th. So that one is the hardest one to rank on because it's the most competitive. So by next week, hopefully, first page. So that's it, guys. I guess that's a good day. What do you think, man?
Yes.
That's about it. Just know if you're selling on Amazon, do not let off them. Like, you do a case with them, like you're talking to them. Don't let it go 2 days or 3 days without them responding to you and you respond to them. Every single day, respond to them. I do that every single day. Just message them. They say, "Oh, we're still working on it." Later in the day, what's going on? They're always still working on it. Keep messaging them. But that's just how it goes. And, you know, it's a great company. All right? But it's just things that you know, you have to deal with. I think that's it, babe. Next Monday, sorry about missing last Monday, guys, even though nobody cares. But I apologize. Next week, we'll get back into the computer. This week, I just want to do a quick little update on what was going on with me. Like a month ago, made $30,000 in sales. This month, about $0, okay? So, you know, it's all up and down. That's why we only had 1 product. That's why I'm getting 3 more products coming next month, because I'm sick and tired of having all my eggs in one basket, because something like this can happen and your whole operation is shut down. So just remember that, guys, and if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, dude, because it's a freaking party over here, dude. Subscribe, dude. Make sure you like this video, man, alright? And I'll see you guys in the next one.